welcome back. Scent Squad Emerald C here with our Tree Hut Shea Sugar Scrub mini collection, which I ordered online through Amazon, and also I got a couple from Walmart. Our first one is the one that's pretty much all used up. This is the vanilla bean. So this kind of smells like baked cookies. It's like a really warm, cozy vanilla aroma. So if you like vanilla, if you like gourmand fragrances, and you like skin scents, this one is perfect, and it's really cozy too. Now the texture of it is pretty similar to all of their textures. It's infused with shea butter and also the sugar granules. So they feel really good against your skin. It's very creamy and it's wonderful for like transforming your skin, and it's really moisturizing as well. So that one is our first one up, followed by our vitamin C sugar scrub. So this was actually the first one I purchased when I got into the whole Tree Hut line. This one is great because it has vitamin C, and vitamin C is phenomenal for your skin. It's very citrusy and it kind of smells like sunshine a little bit, all right? And with that in mind, it's very energizing. Another one that exfoliates very well. It boosts skin radiance and it really brightens your skin. You'll see the texture of it is very creamy. It's not sticky. It doesn't have like a greasy film. The only downside that I'm not in love with their line is that it doesn't lather. Like some of Bath & Body Works sugar scrubs and salt scrubs, they kind of lather a little bit. This one doesn't, but it definitely does moisturize your skin. I do love a little lather personally, but if you're looking for lather, this isn't your one. And once we rinse everything off, this is pretty much how our skin looks and feels. So we're gonna go ahead and close this one up. Next up is our Desert Haze Sugar Scrub. So right here for the Desert Haze Sugar Scrub, this one is kind of like a earthy, floral, lightly sweet desert oasis, if that makes any sense. It smells great and it reminds me of something that you would wear in the evening, perfect for like your evening routine. This is great if you're like a nature lover. It's one that really rejuvenates your skin, and it kind of has like a little bit of an exotic scent, and it leaves your skin feeling really nice and hydrated. Pineapple, my son loves this one. This is actually the one that he picked out. This one smells like a tropical paradise. Do you hear me? This smells like you should be in the Bahamas or Jamaica, Cancun, just somewhere with a beach and golden sand or pink sand. It's very fruity. It smells really fresh. It's fun, and it's also a really, really, really uplifting scent. Another one with the classic DNA of Tree Hut, where it kind of glides on very smooth and exfoliates really well. And again, this is great if you like fresh, fruity, sweet scents. Moroccan Rose. This by far is probably one of my favorite scents out of the whole entire collection. I got it because my son smelled it and he's like, oh, this smells like something you would wear. It is very luxurious. It's romantic. It kind of reminds me of a rose garden without being so like floral. It's like very rich. Again, it's very moisturizing. This one feels like something you would wear or like exfoliate before you go to a special occasion. It smells very upscale, very, very good. So again, this is my favorite one out of the whole entire collection that they have here. If you have any Tree Hut fragrances, if you enjoy Tree Hut, or you have any questions, I want to hear more from you. I want you to, if you haven't already, like, comment, and subscribe. And until then, I will see you in the next video. Toodaloo.